Hi. To start with the recipe, first, let's mix 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of baking powder in a bowl. This combination is crucial for fluffy pancakes. Make sure to whisk them together well until they're completely combined. You'll know it's ready when the mixture looks uniform and there are no visible clumps of baking powder. In a separate bowl, we're going to whisk together 1 cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 large egg, and 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil. The key here is to beat everything until the egg is fully incorporated. You'll know you've done it right when the mixture has a consistent pale yellow color and looks completely smooth. Now comes the important part, combining our wet and dry ingredients. Pour the wet mixture into the flour mixture and stir just until you don't see any dry flour anymore. A common mistake is overmixing, which can make your pancakes tough. So stop as soon as the last streak of flour disappears. Let's give our batter a little rest while we preheat our non-stick pan on low heat. This resting period is crucial. It allows the flour to fully hydrate and the baking powder to start working its magic. About 5 minutes is perfect, and you'll notice the batter becoming slightly thicker and bubbly. By the way, since many of you ask about this non-stick frying pan that I use, after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Time to cook. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter into your preheated pan for each pancake. If your batter spreads too quickly, your pan might be too hot, so adjust accordingly. The perfect pancake should spread gently into a circle about 4 inches wide. Here's where patience pays off. Watch for bubbles to form on the surface and the edges to dry out. This usually takes about 2-3 minutes. You'll know it's time to flip when the bubbles pop and leave little holes that stay open, and the edges look slightly matte instead of glossy. After flipping, cook the other side until it turns a beautiful golden brown, usually about 1 to 2 minutes. The second side always cooks faster than the first, so keep an eye on it. You'll know it's done when the center springs back slightly when touched. If you notice your batter is too thick or too thin, don't worry. You can easily adjust the consistency. Add a 1 tablespoon of milk if it's too thick, or a 1 tablespoon of flour if it's too thin. The perfect batter should be the consistency of thick, heavy cream and pour smoothly from the spoon. Finally, serve these beauties while they're still warm. I like to stack them on a plate and let everyone choose their favorite toppings. Whether you go classic with maple syrup and butter or get creative with fresh fruits and whipped cream, these pancakes will be perfectly fluffy and delicious. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one. Bye.